Good morning. I love maths. We all love maths. It's our maths meeting and it is the middle of the week. So today is Wednesday. Whoa, that came up quickly. Were you already on the case? Yeah, yesterday was Tuesday, there in the orange section. Tomorrow is Thursday, there in the green section, and right in the middle it says today is Wednesday, so we were right. Our numeral today is 2 digits, and do you know what it is? If you said it was 11, well done, it's the numeral 11. 2 digits made up of a 1 and a 1, and the first one we now know stands for 110. And here comes our blue Numicon 10 tile. The other one stands for just one extra, one more than 10. So we've just got our little one orange 10 Numicon tile there. Just double check that we understand this. The first digit is standing in to say there's 110, and the other one is telling us that there's one extra one more than 10. So 1 more than 10 is 11. Now we're going to think about our shape of the day. I want you to have a look at it and think, is this a 3D shape or a 2D shape? Would I be able to pick this up and move it around? Here it is. Do you remember what it's called? If you said it was a cylinder, you're right. And the thing about cylinders is that they have circular tops and circular bases. And in the middle, one continuous curved side. And down at the bottom is that circular base. Where do we see cylinders? Well, they are all around us. Did you ever think about a toilet roll being a cylinder? Well, it is. What about straws, drinking straws? They're little cylinders, thin, long cylinders. A coffee cup, when you get your takeaway coffee, can be a cylinder shape. A fire extinguisher is a cylinder. What do you think you're looking at here that's a cylinder? It's on the side of a house. Yeah, it's a drain pipe, a bit like the one Incy Wincy Spider climbs up. And lastly, rigatoni pasta. Cylinder-shaped tubes of delicious pasta. So you see what I mean? Cylinders are everywhere. Let's move on. Subitizing. Have a look for groups. Now I can see a group of 3, and then 1 extra. I'm going to show you again. Can you see a group of 3, and 1 more? So that would be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more is 7. What's going to come next? A 10 frame and another 10 frame. So today we've got 2 10s, 2 sets of 10 white empty squares. Let's see how many purple dots we're going to put in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so the first 10 frame is full. So on to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 purple squares, so purple dots. Now, do you remember we started talking about subtraction and about writing number sentences as a takeaway? So let's think, how many empty squares were there to begin with? 2 lots of 10. Oh, there you are. You can just see how you would make up that 17 if you used your fingers. 10 fingers and then 7 fingers. We're going to carry on now thinking about the number sentence. So 20 squares to begin with. I'm going to take away all the squares that have got purple dots in. So that's our take away sign. Take away 17. Then we need our equals sign. So what is the answer? We started with 20. We've taken away 17 because we put purple dots in them. What have we got left? Well, I hope you counted 3. And if you did, well done. So that is our takeaway number sentence or subtraction number sentence. Okay, quick look at how we number those squares, and I'm covering them up. Oh, where is the yellow dot today? You worked it out? The yellow dot is in the 20th square. Well done if you said the 20th square. Now, pattern of the day. We're going to look at a pattern in a moment, but can you see there's a map on the screen? And the map is of Great Britain. And Great Britain is an island surrounded by sea, and it's where we live. We live in the bit of Great Britain called England. There's also a country in the north called Scotland, and a country in the west called Wales. You might have been to Scotland and Wales. We live in England, and there is Scotland and Wales. And these 3 countries all have flags. So our pattern today is to do with flags. So here we go. Flag 1, flag 2, flag 3. I wonder what kind of repeat we're going to have today. Are we going to have an A, B, B, C, D, 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 or an A, B, B, or an A, D, D? Who knows? What do you think is going to come next? Not a difficult pattern today. What do you think is going to come next? Yeah, the flag with the dragon on. And then the flag with the red cross. What next? The blue flag. The dragon flag. The red cross. That's our pattern of the day. And we are going to see what sort of pattern it is. The repeat is 3. It's an A, B, C repeat. A, B, C. I'm going to leave you with this challenge. I want you to find out which flag belongs to which country. Which country has a blue flag with a white X? Which country has a red dragon on it? Which country has a red cross? Right, so see if you can find out. Tell your grown-ups when you've done that. And you try and remember them as well. And I will see you tomorrow.